The lemons almost look like oranges from here.
Yeah, they all are. I mean, that tree back there, that was an orange tree for 100 years before it was pruned with a lemon. I mean, most of the trees you see here were oranges. So they have to be nurtured the whole time so they don't grow back as oranges. It's a very time-consuming and ongoing process.
So the tree can make both lemons and oranges?
Yeah.
I like that. But you know, lemons, they are my favorite fruit.
Oh.
I really can't imagine the world without them.
No. No, nor can I. Did you know that, botanically speaking, the lemon is a berry?
No?
Yeah. Oh, oh, sorry. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.